Selamat siang semua, salam sejahtera. Saya berharap semuanya dalam kondisi yang sehat dan baik-baik saja. Saya Gabriel Ray, selaku CEO dan founder Thrift. Hari ini dengan bangga kami mengumumkan strategic investment dari Maxi Ventures kepada Thrift dengan valuasi sebesar 200 juta dolar atau setara dengan 3,2 triliun rupiah. Dan sejak didirikan dari 2015, Thrift merupakan salah satu exchange yang terbesar dan terlama di Indonesia. Kita sudah mempunyai kurang lebih 3 juta pengguna yang terdaftar dalam platform Thrift saat ini. Bahkan kami merupakan platform yang paling lengkap di Indonesia dengan lebih dari 1.000 plus aset kripto yang tersedia dalam platform Thrift. Dan juga dari track record kami selama 10 tahun di dalam industri ini, Thrift tidak pernah mengalami suatu insiden yang berarti ataupun kasus lainnya. Jadi track record kami sangat bersih selama 10 tahun di dalam industri ini. Dan dalam kepatuhan ataupun regulasi, Thrift juga merupakan exchange dengan izin yang paling lengkap saat ini. Kita mempunyai 3 izin dari regulator, yaitu kita punya izin perdagangan spot, kita punya izin staking, dan yang terakhir kita punya izin untuk melakukan futures crypto hingga kali 50 untuk saat ini. Dan ini membuat Thrift sebagai salah satu exchange di Indonesia dengan izin yang paling komprehensif dan yang paling lengkap. Dan tidak penting juga, yang tidak kalah penting juga, Oke. Dan tidak penting juga, melalui investasi oleh Maxi Ventures ini akan membuat media kami, The Wave, akan terus tetap independen dan gratis untuk memajukan Indonesia dalam literasi kripto. Seperti yang saya pernah bilang di berbagai macam podcast bahwa kami punya visi, punya goal bahwa Indonesia is gonna be the Bitcoin center in Southeast Asia. Dan sebagai kata-kata terakhir, saya bilang Thrift and Maxi, go big or go. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih kepada Bapak Gabriel Ray atas paparan yang telah disampaikan kepada kita semua di siang hari ini. And next we invite Mr. Leo Zhao untuk memberikan presentasi to deliver the presentation about the strategic investment between Thrift and Maxi Ventures. So, Mr. Leo Zhao, the stage is yours.
Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and distinguished guests. Good morning. So it's a pleasure to be here to represent Maxi Ventures. I'd like to thank our partner Thrift, the media, and everyone in the room in attendance for joining us for this important moment for our collaboration. So I'm Leo Zhao. I'm the investment director of Maxi Ventures. Maxi Venture is the investment arm of Maxi Global Exchange. We're proud to be here today to officially announce our strategic investment in Thrift, one of Indonesia's most established and trusted crypto platform. So let me begin a quick introduction to Maxi Ventures. We're created with a very clear goal, that is to support all the development of global crypto and blockchain industry. So we invest in hundreds of projects that we believe they will will shape the future of Web3. Earlier this year, we also launched the 300 million Maxi Ecosystem Fund that we support innovation in areas like infrastructure, public chains, decentralized wallets, etc. and etc. So this is one of the important steps for long-term to empower long-term builder and empower the entire crypto ecosystem. So why we partner with Thrift? Thrift was founded in 2015 and one of the most longest and most recognized crypto exchange in the country. So it serves more than 3 million users and offer more than 1,000 coins for people to trade. And also it has a broad, comprehensive products like staking and all kinds of service that Thrift can provide. Thrift is also one of the few platforms that's fully licensed by both AJK and BAPTI. showing its serious commitment to regulation and security. At Maxi, we also care very deeply about compliance, safety, and easy to use for all the users. We believe making crypto simple and accessible to everyone is our mission. And that's why we see TRIV is a natural fit between Maxi and TRIV. We share the same value, that is to provide best service to our users. And of course, we believe in the future of Indonesia's crypto market. Southeast Asia is one of the fastest growing region in the crypto adoption, and Indonesia is certainly at the center of this moment. And how we plan to support TRIV? Here are a few points we're going to support. First, asset and product offering. So Maxi is known for its proactive listing strategy. So right now we offer more than 3,000 trading pairs and adding every month, including all the trending coins, all the meme coins, and promising early stage coins that we list. So with our support, TRIV will also be able to give its users access to more exciting assets and new investments every month, every day. And more importantly, through Maxi Ventures, we also connect TRIV with innovative projects around the world, because we have invested in more than 100 million into all kinds of top-tier funds that invest in all sorts of top-tier projects in the frontier of crypto development. So we are going to help TRIV to connect with those top funds, top projects as well. And second, we're also going to provide liquidity support. Another key strength that we have is liquidity. Maxi offers some of the deepest liquidity in the industry for all the popular trading pairs. This means users can trade more efficiently with better pricing and less slippage. By enhancing TRIV's liquidity, we hope to create a world-class trading experience for Indonesia users. And last, I'm going to talk a little bit about our commitment to Southeast Asia. Our investment in TRIV is not just about today. It's about long term. So at Maxi Ventures, we're deeply committed to help TRIV to expand in Southeast Asia. We're looking to partner with TRIV for its great compliance, regulations, and commitment to serve better for all the Indonesia users. And at last, I want to say we're very excited that we are supporting TRIV in the next chapter of its growth. We believe this partnership will not only raise the standard of crypto trading in Indonesia, but also create real value for users, developers, and broader community. Let's continue work together and build a safer, smarter, and a more inclusive future for the crypto world right here in Southeast Asia. Thank you.
Thank you so much for Mr. Leo Zhao. And next, last but not least, we invite Mrs. Christina X as a Vice President Maxi Ventures to deliver the presentations.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. I'm very excited to be here today to announce this exciting news with TRIV and also TRIV team here. And like a lot of my friends in Indonesia asked me, including some of them are influencers or like the local partners and also the local project that say, oh, it's crazy, like you investing in TRIV. I think this will mark a milestone in Maxi Ventures, like our pay for the whole Southeast Asia market. This is also just a beginning, yeah. And then the next step, beside of the investment, also we have the partnership together with like the initiatives for corporate social responsibility, such as like blockchain for her, blockchain for youth, hackathon project. We will utilize this kind of three strategies together to further expand in East Asia market. And this will also like mark a milestone for us here, right here together with you, all the media friends and also the trip team. Thank you guys. Like we are really expecting a very exciting cooperation with the trip team for even bigger targets, bigger market, and a bigger user base, and make crypto accessible, safer, and also faster for all the users. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much Mrs. Christina X. Kita berikan tepuk tangan yang meriah dan tentunya sekali lagi kita berharap dengan adanya kerjasama antara Thrift dan juga Maxi Ventures ke depannya dari kedua belah pihak akan semakin sukses. But untuk tidak hari ini saja ya kerjasama, tapi juga untuk long term investment, long term partnership. Sekali lagi boleh berikan tepuk tangan yang meriah untuk Thrift dan juga Maxi Ventures. Dan berikutnya rekan-rekan media sekalian, kami akan membuka sesi tanya jawab atau Q&A session. Kami persilahkan kepada rekan-rekan media yang ingin bertanya mengenai topik hari ini, boleh langsung angkat tangan, nanti akan saya bantu arahkan pertanyaannya. Jika ingin bertanya dengan bahasa Inggris juga nanti akan kita bantu untuk translate. Jadi kami persilahkan langsung saja kepada rekan-rekan media yang ingin bertanya. Kami buka 3 pertanyaan terlebih dahulu. Kami persilahkan boleh langsung mengangkat tangannya. Oke, tim panitia boleh dibantu untuk memberikan mic. Bapak boleh tolong berdiri, kemudian sebutkan nama dan asal medianya, kemudian pertanyaannya ditujukan kepada siapa. Terima kasih.
Fajar from Investor Trust. I will ask you, Pak Leo Zhao or Miss Christina. It's about the strategic investment or partnership. You already mentioned that you choose Thrift as your partner because Thrift is one of the oldest platforms or the company at the cryptocurrency. But can you elaborate more about the how or why you choose Indonesia? Because maybe you have a specific reason why you put your investment in Indonesia. So another question is, what kind of top project that you will, you can offer to the Indonesian cryptocurrency, the investor of cryptocurrency in Indonesia, and then is this partnership will make Thrift more bigger than its competitor or something?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay,
Sure.
thank you.
Thank you. I can take these questions. So through my talk with Mr. Ray and Triv, I found Indonesia government or authority is very advanced in terms of crypto regulation. It's the top of the world regulation, I think, even faster than America, Europe, because it has very clear regulation for crypto spot and also derivative. That's why that makes us very safe to make us feel very safe to invest in this country. And also Indonesia is growing so fast in terms of population, GDP, and economy. So actually, it's my first time to Jakarta, and I've been several times to elsewhere in Indonesia. I'm always amazed by its infrastructure, like payment. Like I don't have any cash in Rubia, but I can pay with credit card. I can do Grab here, a convenience store here and there. That shows how strong the fast-growing that Indonesia economy is. And I think crypto is one of the most even faster growing part in terms of new economy that young people like, and also starting with Wall Street in the U.S. Like institutions are also looking at investing in crypto. That's why we think Indonesia market is very advanced, regulated. We really like the market and how it is, how clear it's regulated. So we want to heavily invest in Indonesia, and within Indonesia, we found Thrift is the best partner that we can find because of few reasons that I mentioned. Because Mr. Ray is very serious about regulation and the commitment to users. I think within Indonesia, Thrift already provide more than 1,000 trading pair. That is very rare to see in Indonesia that can provide the full service and so broad access to its users. I think because it's TRIP's leadership, management, and commitment to its users that make us very excited to move forward with this investment. And that's why we really like Indonesia and TRIP. And your second question, how we make TRIP better, I can expand that a little bit. For example, we invested in top crypto fund like Polychain, Dragonfly, Figment, all kinds of big fund in the US and Europe. And they help introduce us to like top projects like Sahara AI that we just listed is the one of the top AI project in crypto. And we also invested in Say Network and all kinds of top quality projects that we're all going to introduce to TRIP and Indonesia users to help them get more knowledge, to learn about these projects and to meet its founders, to do exclusive AMAs, activities, airdrops, to bring all the top projects to Indonesia users through TRIP. And that's one of the ways that we will help TRIP to do better to help its users. Thank you.
Okay, Mrs. Christina, you want to add something? Or is that enough?
I think Leo already answered most of the like key points. 180 is like Indonesia is also like the top 3 among the like crypto adopters. This is also one of the reasons, beside of the population, we choose Indonesian market, like we as a strategic market for Maxi and Maxi Ventures. Yeah. Another part is like it applies with our core value. For Maxi, we are not just carry about like the business value, but of course the user's value as well, like user-centric. And like our slogan is make crypto easier for everyone. So beside of the like huge crypto adopters in Indonesia, we also like want to bring like the corporate social responsibility. Like we're gonna announce, I think within this month and then a few months, next few months, for the blockchain for her, blockchain for youth, as well as hackathon project, so that we can educate the young generations, educate more users to come to crypto, but with education, with like the knowledge, and as well as with a safer and stable environment for users to get into this industry. Yeah, this is also one of the reasons why we choose Indonesia, why we choose TRIP. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for the answer, Mrs. Christina and Mr. Leo. Dan berikutnya kami kembali membuka kesempatan, baik, Bapak boleh berdiri. Jangan lupa menyebutkan nama, asal media, dan pertanyaannya ditujukan kepada siapa.
Ya, halo, Demis dari CNBC Indonesia. My name is Demis from CNBC Indonesia. You talk a lot about regulation, about TRIP and Maxi. A new regulation, like a week ago, about a tax in crypto industry in Indonesia just being published. It means we have income tax 0.21% increase from 0.1 before, but without value-added tax, and there is a spread between local exchange and offshore exchange. For local exchange is for foreign exchange, the income tax will be 5 times bigger than for local exchange. What do you think about this new regulation, about TRIP and Maxi?
Okay, I think I will answer this question because it's related about tax. Okay, jadi do you want me to answer in English or do you want me to answer in Indonesia? Indonesia, oke. Jadi peraturan pajak yang baru kan sudah diterbitkan oleh Kementerian terakhir. Untuk exchange yang punya izin itu ditetapkan 0,21%, sedangkan exchange yang tidak punya izin atau platform luar seperti warna kuning dan lain sebagainya itu akan dikenakan biaya pajak 1% per transaksi, yang artinya 500% atau 5 kali lipat lebih tinggi daripada exchange yang punya izin. Artinya apa? Dari sini kita melihat bahwa salah satu kebijakan pemerintah adalah untuk mendukung exchange lokal dan mendorong para investor kripto di Indonesia menggunakan exchange lokal. I will also translate in English so Christina and Leo can also have a point of view about this. So our tax ministry just issued a new regulation which is increase about 500% tax for foreign platform. So let's say there is someone in Indonesia that trades crypto on foreign exchange, they will pay like about 1% tax per transaction. This is and they have to report this to the tax authority. And for the local exchange who holds license, it is very cheap. The government only put us like about 0.21%. So which means that foreign exchange will get slapped on 500% more tax and more tariff from the Indonesia government. So why the government is doing this? Because they are supporting the local exchange who has the license and following all the compliance and regulation, so that all of the crypto investors in Indonesia, they trade through the regulated and licensed crypto exchange. So that is my point of view why the government is doing it. Thank you.
Baik, terima kasih Pak Gabriel Rey atas jawabannya. Kembali kami buka kesempatan, kami berikan kesempatan kepada rekan-rekan media. Baik, silahkan berdiri, jangan lupa sebutkan nama, asal media, dan pertanyaannya ditujukan kepada siapa. Terima kasih.
Selamat siang, saya Gito dari BIN Crypto. Pertanyaan untuk Pak Gabriel. Pak, ini strategic investment ini konkretnya itu apakah dalam bentuk akuisisi atau untuk project baru? Lalu juga nanti untuk dana berapa besar dana investasi yang digelontorkan sama Maxi dan untuk rencana penggunaan dananya? Terima kasih Pak Gabriel.
Oke. Jadi satu, this strategic investment is all about thrift. Jadi ini adalah Maxi Ventures berinvestasi ke dalam thrift dengan valuasi 2 triliun rupiah yang seperti saya ungkapkan di awal. Jadi tentu tujuan kita dengan investasi ini, thrift akan bisa bertumbuh semakin besar. We will have more pairing, we will have more trading pair, we will have more liquidity, we will have more products, and also we will have more futures contract and leverage which will be provided and helped by Maxi. And all of the funds that we're going to receive is going to be used for that, for marketing, development, and product research. I think that's enough. Thank you.
Baik, terima kasih. Mungkin Pak Jordan ingin menambahkan?
Boleh, silakan.
Cek, ya. Kalau dari saya, point of view dari sisi marketing, saya melihat ini juga ada beberapa yang akan kita lakukan ya dari sisi marketing. Yang pertama adalah saya ingin menguatkan brand positioning kita, ya, yaitu dengan menjadi leading crypto industry di Indonesia, ya. Kita juga akan membuat lebih aplikasi yang lebih user friendly lagi. Lalu juga kita bisa membuat suatu fee yang lebih kompetitif dan juga akan lebih banyak campaign ya, promotion dan segala macam yang akan kita bangun setelah investasi ini. Mungkin kurang lebih seperti itu. Ya.
Baik, terima kasih Pak Jordan dan Pak Gabriel. Kembali kami memberikan kesempatan kepada rekan-rekan media yang ingin bertanya kepada Thrift atau Maxi Ventures. Kami persilahkan. Kami masih memiliki waktu yang cukup panjang dalam Q&A session. Jadi kami persilahkan kepada Bapak Ibu para tamu undangan, rekan-rekan media yang ingin bertanya, silakan sampaikan pertanyaan Anda kepada Thrift ataupun Maxi Ventures. Anyone? Ada lagi? Cukup ya. Baik, kalau sudah tidak ada lagi yang ingin bertanya, kita akan segera melanjutkan ke sesi acara yang berikutnya, di mana sebelum kita menutup sesi press conference kali ini, terlebih dahulu kita akan sama-sama mendengarkan pernyataan penutup dari Pak Gabriel Ray selaku CEO dan juga founder dari Thrift.
Sebagai closing, saya sangat bangga ya dengan kerjasama dan investasi yang dilakukan oleh Maxi Ventures kepada Thrift Group. Dan apa yang telah dicapai Thrift selama 10 tahun terakhir ini, di mana Thrift terus menjadi pemimpin pasar, the leading exchange in Indonesia. Kita one of the biggest and one of the oldest crypto exchange di Indonesia dengan perfect track record. Itu yang cukup saya banggakan bersama dengan tim Thrift. Dan saya yakin dengan investasi ini, Thrift dan Crypto Wave akan terus bertumbuh semakin pesat dan cepat. Kita akan membentuk sebuah ekosistem di dalam Indonesia di mana media dan juga exchange untuk terus maju mengedukasi masyarakat Indonesia untuk melek berinvestasi kripto. Dan Thrift akan mempunyai banyak koin baru, banyak produk baru, banyak liquidity baru, more campaign berbarengan dengan partner kita Maxi Ventures. Dan kita akan siap menjadi platform exchange number 1 in Indonesia. Thank you.
Kita berikan tepuk tangan yang meriah dan tentunya sekali lagi selamat atas kerjasama yang terjalin antara Thrift dan juga Maxi Ventures. Kita berharap semoga kedepannya komunitas cryptocurrency di Indonesia semakin positif dan semakin berkembang. Sekali lagi boleh tepuk tangan yang lebih meriah Bapak Ibu. Dan berikutnya kita akan menyaksikan penandatanganan MOU antara Thrift dengan Maxi Ventures. Dan tentunya untuk saat ini minat masyarakat Indonesia terhadap aset kripto di Indonesia semakin berkembang atau semakin bertumbuh positif. Di mana Indonesia saat ini Bapak Ibu menempati posisi kedua dalam daftar negara dengan pertumbuhan aplikasi kripto tertinggi secara global pada tahun 2024. Dan tentunya kami persilahkan kepada rekan-rekan media sekalian untuk mendekat ke panggung dan mengabadikan momen yang bahagia dan luar biasa di acara siang hari ini. Kita berikan tepuk tangan yang meriah Bapak Ibu atas kerjasama dan penandatanganan MOU sebagai tanda dimulainya kerjasama antara Thrift dengan Maxi Ventures. Dan tentunya kita berharap dengan adanya kerjasama yang dijalin antara Thrift dan juga Maxi Ventures bisa semakin menumbuhkan komunitas cryptocurrency di Indonesia. Sekali lagi kita berikan tepuk tangan yang meriah atas penandatanganan MOU sebagai tanda dimulainya kerjasama antara Thrift dengan Maxi Ventures. Kepada tim dokumentasi kami persilakan untuk mengabadikan momen yang luar biasa. So please give your best smile to the camera and 3, 2, 1, smile. And 3, 2, 1, cheers. Baik, dan tentunya untuk saat ini di Indonesia sendiri minat masyarakat terhadap aset kripto semakin tumbuh positif dan selalu semakin meningkat. Dan semoga setelah adanya kerjasama antara Thrift dengan Maxi Ventures kembali meningkatkan minat masyarakat terhadap aset kripto di dalam negeri. Dan berikutnya kami persilahkan kita juga akan menyaksikan bersama-sama penyerahan sebuah bunga sebagai tanda terima kasih dan sebagai tanda kerjasama antara Thrift dengan Maxi Ventures. Dan bunga kali ini akan diserahkan oleh Bapak Gabriel Ray kepada Bapak Leo Zhao Sebagai bukti kerjasama, kita berikan tepuk tangan yang meriah sekali lagi, rekan-rekan media sekalian. Dan silahkan mengabadikan momen yang luar biasa.